Today we're answering the search how to buy shares of Warehouses Estates Belgium SA, a Belgian logistics real estate company listed on Euronext under the ticker WEB.BR. This video is for educational purposes only and is not investment advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps, and after registering, you'll need to verify your account. Verification typically requires a government ID, and you will also need to add funds to your account before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WEB.BR to find Warehouses Estates Belgium SA. Select the result that matches the Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have Warehouses Estates Belgium SA. Make sure the page shows the ticker WEB.BR and the exchange as Euronext before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. You will see your new position in your portfolio once the order executes. Check the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.